So beautiful. Thank you.
Doesn't make it for kasha, you make like this.
That's gonna be the last scene of the film.
It's like, what's your personal hell? Ikea. My personal heaven is Ikea. And I'm back, baby. So we're at Ikea, and I'm actually kind of sad because they don't have what I wanted in stock, so I'm kind of like sad about that. But the last time I was here and I did a video, I kind of just like ran away from my sister, and so she got lost. And then she was like, are you going to vlog at Ikea? Because I swear to God, I'm leaving you. And here we are. We are vlogging, baby. Oh my God. Anyways, like I was saying, I wanted like the clothes to be laid out behind me, but it's not the case because they're actually sold out at like all locations in Toronto, because I was really willing to like go to different locations and stuff like that, but it's just sold out across the board, which I'm really sad about. But it's like back to school season, so I get, ooh, the lighting is nice, let me stay here. It's like back to school season, so I get that a lot of people are at Ikea and it's packed, but I don't know, it is what it is. My sister's so lost, let me go help her out, guys. I'm gonna try my best to vlog. It's not the best lighting here, but we'll try to make do. So I'm just at Walmart, and I just took it in. I was at Walmart last week, in last week's vlog, but I'm back again. I was trying to pick up some SPF because I ran out, and they just don't have the one that I like in stock, which kind of sucks, but they have my favorite deodorant in stock, and it's on like, I don't know if it's on sale or it's just significantly cheaper than the drugstore. So this is my favorite deodorant. It's the one by Dove. This one right over here. It's just a nice fresh smell, but I just feel like it doesn't clash with like perfumes and things like that I wear, so I like it. I'm grabbing two because I know it's my sister's favorite as well, so I'm doing her a bit of a favor with all these Ikea runs. So that's gonna be a little nice treat for her. Sorry for the noise in the background, I'm trying to move away as best as I can, but yeah, so I'm just going to check out. I have my best friend's barbecue tonight, so I'm gonna stop by the LCBO, which is, if you guys are outside of Ontario, that's pretty much the liquor store. I'm probably gonna grab a bottle of rosé for the barbecue and head over there. But yeah, it's gonna be a pretty nice, fun day. It's like super hot in Toronto, so I'm really happy about that. Whew. Oh my God, hey, it's a lot of noise, so let me just check out and I'll be right back. About me, I don't know anything about wines. Like, I know a little bit about wines and stuff like that, but I always go for like the prettiest bottle. And I think this is really pretty. Look at it. I think she'll like it. This is the first time I haven't like slicked back my hair too. I just kind of left it curly. Yeah. Oh, it's kind of cute.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah, but you hit it twice to get 1 minute?
Yeah. That's what's 30 plus 30. I think that's
We're pretty much at Wimbledon right now. We're at Wimbledon. Serena and
Nick?
whoever you are. No! No!
We could never.
Okay, that was.
Oh, that was really good. That was really, really good. You're like, we're like, ooh.
You know what volume like,
You didn't have to do that.
Where's the ball?
Did you catch that? Where did it go? I didn't catch it, so I do that again. Where did it go?
You're plugged in, eh?
I am. I'm pretty good. I'm not gonna lie.
You're not gonna see that. I need to see that.
We're not gonna edit this video though.
That's gonna be the last scene of the film.
You're fun. Oh my God.
Gang baby. I'm amazing. I'm amazing at this sport, okay? I'm amazing. It's like my favorite thing to play. And I've only played it like, oh, my hair's kind of messed up. I've only played it twice and I'm like 10 out of 10. And that's it. Thank you. Oh my God, when I tell you I need this coffee, it's an understatement, okay? I am so tired. And the thing is, I didn't do like a full outfit of the day yesterday, so I'm definitely gonna repeat that look again, just so you know. And I tried something new with my hair, which I really liked because it was incredibly humid yesterday in Toronto. So I really didn't want to do the slick back and be at a barbecue and like, just like, ugh, like I didn't want that. So I'm happy that it turned out the way that it did. My cousin actually put me on. She was just like, have you thought of like using like, you know, just curly products and making it like a mini curly situation? I was just like, no. I just thought I'd always do the slick back look with the waves, but I did waves and a bit of a fro yesterday, so that was cute. Let me know what you guys think. Like, did you guys like the hair? I might even record me doing that hairstyle today for today's vlog because I really liked it. It literally took me no time and I felt very, I don't know, it was very freeing. Like I felt like I wasn't sweating out product, you know what I mean?
Unfortunately, we don't have chocolate chunks, but we do have brownie. Do you want the brownie one?
No.
No? Do you want a donut? Or a muffin? Or apple pie?
Do you guys have chocolate chip muffins?
We have banana chocolate.
Oh no, sorry. So what was the, so you guys don't have the chocolate chip
We don't
cookies?
have chocolate chunk at the moment.
At all. Okay, what donuts do you have?
Pardon?
What donuts do you have?
We have Boston cream sprinkles. We have glaze, maple, and strawberry glaze.
I'll just take 2 sprinkle ones then.
Sprinkle?
Yeah, thank you. Thank God. Okay. You're the best. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Oh my God. All right, guys. I am going to head back home. Gonna show you guys. Oh my God. I'm gonna have the best breakfast in my life. You guys don't understand. Today, I'm having a Fitbit, baby. What? Oh, I'm so excited. So let me put this camera away before it starts flying everywhere and I'll be right back. So my face is a little dry. Oh, I love how the battery's about to die right now. Okay, so I'll try to do this as quick as I can. I should have brought my extra batteries. Okay, so let me take off my earrings actually. I don't want to get product on them. So yeah, guys, this is actually not gonna take me very long. So the fact that my battery is low isn't going to stop the show, okay? So, oh, I forgot the water. I'll be right back. So I just got my water mister and just going to, oh my God, I forgot the can too. Do I need another coffee? Like, I clearly need another cup of coffee. 1 second, I will be right back. And at this point, I should just grab the battery as well. So let me grab a can two, the battery, and I think I'm good. So I am back. I just put on my lip mask because my lips were feeling really, really dry. But anyways, I'm gonna just spritz a little bit of water. Let me put you guys a little higher so you can see. Fantastic. Okay, better view. All right, and then the next thing I'm gonna do, just gonna get some water in the back here. Cool. So next thing I'm gonna do is take some Cantu, and just a little bit, honestly, not very much. Ooh, like this much. Oh, I'm so sorry for the extra hair and stuff, but this much product. And then I'm just going to spread it on my hair, but mainly the top part. And then after I do that, I'm gonna grab my hair gel. This is the one that I love to use. I'm going to grab a little bit of that, just a little bit of product here. Sorry for the extra hair everywhere, but just that. And I'm just going to put it on the sides of my hair and then the back of my head here. That was even a little too much product, honestly. And then the residue that's left over, I'll put on the rest of my head. Then I'm gonna grab my mousse. You guys already know, I'm really loving the Lotta Body mousse. Like 3 pumps of that. And then I'm just gonna put that on top of my hair. I see it coming together. We're almost done. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take my fine tooth comb and then just create like, not even waves, but just like puddles. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it's not even that deep, like, you know? Very shallow puddles. Like, we're not doing like what we typically would do because we just wanna look like, I'm a little bit put together. So like that. That's it. And whatever's left over, I'm just gonna put on that sideburn situation. And I'm gonna fix the back a little bit. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. And then I'm just gonna grab my head wrap. Zhuzh it up a little bit. Zhuzh, zhuzh. Right over here. And then like that. That way, like the sides set. Like I don't really care for the front, you know what I mean? And that's it. We're just gonna let it dry a little. I might put on some concealer. I don't know, but as far as the hair goes and what I did last night, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna put on my earrings and have some coffee and just chill. And once my hair dries, I'm gonna use the sheen spray on top of my hair. That way it's like nice and glossy. And then that's it. Like, easy peasy lemon squeezy, especially if it's like super humid and like it doesn't matter how much gel you put in, like your hair is just gonna go kind of all over the place. I kind of like this style. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Okay, so it's been like, I want to say probably less than an hour, but let's see what we're working with. Cutie. Alrighty, so let me just judge the situation. And do you see how like those two pieces are like flying out like that? I'm just gonna add some gel to that. I'm actually really not even pressed about it, honestly. Like I'm actually okay. It's because I did like the mini waves. And it's like, oh, and it's still pretty wet. So this is just like, hey, I'm chilling at home, but I also don't want to look like, ugh, you know? So it's really not that. Let me see if I can do this and I'll do something. It's not. Okay, whatever. So I'm just gonna get this spray. And let me just spray it, girl. Like that's pretty much all that's left. If I wasn't chilling at home, like these two pieces would really bother me, but because I am, like I'm not, it's not that big of a deal. This is me. Excellent. So, just gonna do that. Should I put the gel? No, I kind of like it. It's cute. When I can just do this all day, like. Okay, and as per usual, all the products will be linked in the description box below. And if I forget, please remind me. All right, so I'm gonna have some coffee with the fan jam, and I'll be right back. Wow, lovely. Thank you. Thanks, you did. Oh, that's so beautiful. Thank you.
Doesn't make it for kasha, you make like this.